Okay, Ford wiring. I don't know where you can see it, because this camera really sucks. Yeah, it's just everything. Every freaking thing on this truck is just, you know, what I think is good and what isn't good, and then just freaking start pulling tape off to see what else is surprise I'm gonna find, and just what the nice Ford, nice. Taking forever. Jeez, Pete. I'm at this side. Don't know. I got the camera built onto the laptop, so I can't really. Yeah. So this this portion's already done. The ignition module. That only took I don't know, maybe 5 hours. I guess sounds like a lot, but when I'm having to go through and run each system, even inside, because the wires are bad in there too. And then some wires have built-in fuses, so I have to deal with that. Terrible, terrible thing. Oh well. Hopefully it'll be done soon. Doubtful.